So if you are a Roku user, there's a brand new update coming out to all of these devices, which will give you 3 amazing new features. Now, to get this update on all of your devices, what you want to do is press the home button. Let me do that now. I can now navigate to where it says settings, scroll down to system, and we can see on my device when I click on about, I'm currently running software version 13.1.4. All of these new features I'm going to show you in just a second are in the brand new Roku 14 OS. Now, to see if there is an update available, go down into software update. Let's click on that. I can click on check now. And this will now check to see if Roku OS 14 is available for me. We can see for me, as I'm based in the UK, this new update is not available at the moment. But do have a check on your device and leave me a comment below and let me know which version you're currently running and if there was a new update available. But as we can see here, as posted on the official Roku blog, we can see some of these new features that they're about to release. So the first feature they mentioned is this new family-friendly programming. So directly on the home screen, you'll now get to see a dedicated kids and family zone with access to more than 50,000 titles from different popular streaming services. And we can see the content will be family friendly and automatically categorized by age, by genre, by series. So you can quickly find the content you're looking for, whether it's animated movies or teen movies. All of that content will be available directly on the home screens. So essentially, instead of searching for family friendly content or child content, you can now use this new feature directly on the home screen and access all of your favorite kids and family content directly from there. So that's the first feature. Next up, we have customized or tailored recommendations. So now the next time you watch a movie or watch an episode or watch a show, you get the option to thumbs up or thumbs down this particular episode or movie. And based on your feedback, they will then use their artificial AI engine to give you more tailor-made recommendations. So if the engine detects that you're always liking movies, which are action-based or with a certain actor or actress, it will then use that information to give you more recommendations with those same parameters. So if you are somebody that likes to get recommendations on stuff that they've previously seen, I think this will be a great feature you can access directly on your Roku device. Now, the next feature is probably the one that I'm looking most forward to, and that's the ability to control more of your Roku device by using your voice. As we can see here on my device, I can always use my voice and just say open Tubi TV. Give that a second. That should then understand what I've said and it should launch the application for me, and we can see it's done exactly that. So that's great for opening up applications, but with this brand new feature, you'll be able to control settings and other features of your device by just using your voice. So in theory, you'll be able to use your voice and say, customize my home screen. And that should then take you to the exact setting where you can then go ahead and change your wallpaper or change your theme. But we can see on my device, that feature is not available yet. So really just having more control of your Roku device by simply using your voice. And if you do have the Voice Remote Pro, you could even do this entire process hands-free. And it says that the viewers can use the Roku voice to quickly access settings for screensavers, wallpaper, system updates, guest mode, pretty much any of those hidden settings or all of the settings in all of those different submenus. You can now control all of that by just using your voice. Next up, we have an update to the Roku mobile app, which is a great application available both for your iOS devices and Android. It allows you to use a virtual remote control. You can also launch applications, but with this new update, you'll be able to supercharge your browsing and discovery experience. So really just browsing for content, looking at other recommendations, you'll be able to do all of that directly from your mobile phone. Then with one click, you can then launch that particular recommended show or movie or TV series. So really just giving you more control, more recommendations, all through the official Roku mobile applications. So definitely looks like a great update for all of these Roku devices. It says additionally, OS 14 will roll out to all supported devices in US. Now, it does seem a bit strange that they only mention the US, like what happened to UK or any other countries, but I'm hoping that they will roll this out to the UK, maybe after the US and to other supported countries, because you can buy a Roku device, from Amazon or from any other place in the UK. If you can buy the device here, then surely we should also get these new updates. But definitely do have a look on your device and see if this update is available. And do leave me a comment below. Let me know which version you are currently running on your Roku device. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. Do like and share this video with another Roku user or somebody thinking about getting this Roku device. And I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.